pretty good, y'all. We've been working on the 72 convertible Impala LS3 swap. Looking at maybe almost 600 horsepower. We ain't put it on the dyno yet, YouTube. We did our own wiring. And we show y'all how to do the wiring, YouTube. Step by step. We did our fuel system. We show you how to do the fuel system as well. Step by step, YouTube. Everything you need to know. Now let's swap, baby. Hopefully, today is gonna be the last video in a series of videos in troubleshooting a LS swap misfire. Today, YouTube, we're gonna change out our coils so we can put this LS swap misfire behind us for good, YouTube. But before we do that, I want y'all to check this 75 convertible Caprice. It's sitting in the woods, 28 years, y'all. Unmolested. Yeah, baby. We got a roller, baby. We got a roller.
Hey, drag that toolbox out of the way.
Straight the wheel. A bit of air in the tire, just a little bit. Both donks in the garage now, man. We got to crank this baby up. This car hadn't been crunk up in 28 years. Make sure you click that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your notification bell. Let Chevysrus help you do your LS swap, YouTube. We a family, man. We gonna do this thing together. Y'all ready? Let's get it, YouTube. YouTube. This your boy, Tone coming back at y'all. One more again, YouTube, with another great video on Chevysrus, man. Y'all know what time it is. We out here, we in the garage, and guess what? Ain't nothing nobody can do about it, YouTube. We finna get ready to try to see if we can put this LS swap misfire in the bag, YouTube, so we can be through with it. Know what I'm talking about? Y'all ready? Let's get it. Unscrew that one. Just changing one at a time, you know what I'm saying? Take the plug wire off. Screw them out one at a time, YouTube. Make sure you don't drop the screws. One. Two. Here go the new coil. Not gonna tighten it up too tight. Put a little torque on it. Not too much though. You don't wanna go the weasel. You wanna strip nothing out, YouTube. So now I got it torqued down. Just gonna plug this back in. And then get the spark plug wire, plug it back in. There you go. Pop, go to weasel. Sucker popped up in there. All right, that's one down. 7 more to go, YouTube. You know what I'm saying? All right, YouTube. We got that one side over there replaced. So just loosen up all these coils. And I got this one replaced in the back. I just loosen up these. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop the wires off of them. 1, 2, and 3. Keep those in position so they don't get mixed up. Pop the plug wire off. Be careful not to pull it too hard to disturb the connection on the spark plug. Yeah, I just take these all the way off, y'all.
One. That's one coil. You know, this side here. Try not to drop my screws, y'all. That way I don't have to go back to the hardware store. They don't have no aluminum screws at the hardware store. I gotta get black, and I don't want black. So now I just got one more to go, YouTube. Changing the coils is a pretty simple job. This is actually the last measure to resolve my miss that I've been having a kind of a difficult time to diagnose and troubleshoot. But you know, hey, that's all about being persistent. You know, you're gonna have little problems like this, man, that you gotta be persistent at, that you gotta work through. Hey, that's all part of having an old school car. All right, here go one of the new ones. I'm just gonna take a screw and kind of screw this in loosely. We get all of them screwed in loosely, then I'll come back and tighten them all up. It's real easy to drop, so just be careful not to fumble these screws, man, or you'll be going back to the parts store or the hardware store. One coil, loosely installed. Another coil. Put this side on first. So we just got one more. Leaning over like that. I can only do a 20-minute job leaning over. I had to come back the next day and finish it. It hurt my hip. Now that I got all four, oh man, I mounted that guy upside down. Nobody never said nothing. Kenny, why you ain't tell me, man? Why you ain't tell me, Kenny Ken?
I ain't here. I'm a man behind the camera.
Man, look at that, man. That thing got upside down, man. Shoot, turbo coil. Yeah. All right, YouTube, I got all four of them buttoned up. So I'm gonna get all four of these tightened up and get the wire snapped back on. And we'll be back in a minute, YouTube. All right, YouTube. We are in the dump. We finna test drive it. See if our miss is gone. So we'll be back in a second. Let's see. Sound pretty good, y'all. Oh yeah. Sound real good. Let's see. Let's put this thing to the test, y'all. Look like it's gonna rain outside, so I ain't gonna go too far. Oh yeah, I think she's right now, y'all. We'll be back in a minute, YouTube. All right, YouTube. Hey, we just got the 72 convertible LS3 swap back in the garage. And as it stands, man, hey, it ran beautiful. You know what I'm saying? It ran beautiful. And my miss is no longer there. It runs like a scalding dog again. And man, y'all see it started raining on us. Y'all see that rain behind me? It just started raining, y'all. Right when we was getting ready to pull up in the neighborhood, it started raining. And I had to hurry up and get it in the garage, y'all. But anyway, man, that miss is fixed. Make a long story short, persistence pays off. We started out with a miss. We did some diagnosing. We did some troubleshooting. Yeah, we end up spending a lot more money than we had to. but you know, we took a process of elimination and we did things step by step. If you have not seen those other videos, man, don't hesitate to click on that link in the top right corner and check out those troubleshoot steps, because you're going to encounter a misfire, whether you're doing an LS swap or you got a straight regular 350 engine. If you're working on an old school car, you're going to have a misfire. And it's important for you to know how to troubleshoot that misfire so you don't have to spend a lot of unnecessary money, YouTube. So y'all check that out, man. If you have not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do so. Please click that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell. That way you see all the new videos when we post them. I know y'all see we got the 75 convertible Caprice Classic right behind us. We pulled it out the woods after 28 years, and we just got it running. It drives, y'all. It cranks up. Watch this. I'm finna crank it up for y'all real quick.
Watch this, YouTube. Watch this. Y'all see that? It runs smooth, y'all. So yeah, we're gonna be working on the 75 convertible Caprice, and we also gonna be working on the 72 convertible Impala LS3 swap. So y'all stay tuned. YouTube.